I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the Allure specification. So this car is free to tax. It features 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.